Hello, my name is Lisa Gamble, and this is my introduction. As a candidate, I'm working to better understand school policies so I may best provide protections for staff and students. Through this submission, I'll reflect on what I currently know and what I still need to learn in order to best create a safe and the best learning environment for students. My demographics, I'm currently working towards completing my 6th year of teaching. My previous experience was in a rural place in Winfield, Kansas. I taught 7th and 8th grade language arts there for 2 years. I moved to Wichita, and here I have taught 6th, 7th, and 8th grade. I've taught reading intervention, language arts, and ESOL, and I also functioned as the 7th grade team leader for 2 years. My current work environment houses over 500 students. Of those students, I see about 85 of them every day. About 80% receive free and reduced lunches. 15% of them have an IEP. 3% of them have behavior plans. All of my classes have been ESOL. 3 of the 4 of my core content classes have had para support to adhere with guidelines written in those students' IEPs. My current administration seems to be very knowledgeable of federal laws and school board policies. There is a robust special education program at this moment with a very knowledgeable team lead. She is amazing, and our staff relies on her very heavily. The administration relies on this one person very heavily. She knows the strategy, she knows the students with special needs, and she is often the one correcting others. However, I do not see others doing that independently on their own. My own knowledge is based on 2 courses from my undergraduate degree and from the amazing special education professionals that I have had the opportunity to work with. I am confident in recognizing strategies that support students with special needs and identifying those that are going to cause a struggle. In my own classroom, I scaffold, reteach, I provide visual and auditory aids in every lesson. As an administrator, that is something that I would be looking for in others. I know these aren't the only strategies out there, and I am very excited to expand my knowledge base so that I can improve. My plan for improvement for my own school, I would suggest the following. Professional development for all staff members. We rely very heavily on one person right now, and I think the school as a whole would benefit if we were all carrying our own weight, if we were independent in the decision making for our students. I would familiarize myself with strategies that I could then model for others and ensure that staff members know how to accommodate the needs listed in the IEPs of their students. Funding is an issue. Currently in my school, it is beginning to impact us already. Last year we lost 2 positions and it didn't affect us very noticeably. However, this year we are in line to lose 2 more potentially, and that would bring us from having this robust, good special education program to having something that's just adequate, just enough. And I do have concern for the adult to student ratio if that occurs. So balancing student numbers and staff has been a challenge for my current administration, and it will be this year, just as it will be something that I will consider as I enter administration. Thank you for listening.